Hey, today I would like to show you where I got my raspberry plant and grape plant. Was laying next to the house. The renter left it and I asked it to my girlfriend Natalie, hey, can I have it? And she said, yes, you can have it. I love to eat for free so that like this I can make my empire grow. So one of the many things I do in my business, I mow. So I try to have this sheet done. Another thing, this swimming suit, I got it from my best friend Laura for free. So another thing, I save more money. I've been thinking to mow with a swimming suit, so like this I can get free vitamin D. I love to mow when it's 5 o'clock because the sun is not too hot. But if I don't have choices, I mow whenever. So I'm gonna start to mow. Something else that I would like to tell you, this mower cost around $20,000. It's not my mower, it's Natalie mower, but I love to ride it. It has such a high speed. I'm a speed demon, and when I ride it, for me it's like a fun thing to do. This land to my friend, it took 4 hours. To me, it took only 2 hours since I love speed. So I'm gonna start to mow. I love this mower, it's so powerful. I love power. Until next time.